In this Python tutorial, we will make a web application with text area widget using Streamlit library. After entering a text in the text field and pressing the button, the number of letters and words are printed on the web page. I will show you how to do the application step by step. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, let's activate the web server. I open Terminal. I open the command prompt. I go to Venv file. You can activate the web server using this code. The web server is currently running. I will add a text area widget to the web page. I am creating a variable. The first parameter sent to the text area function represents the title of the object. The second parameter represents the default text of the object. I save the code file and refresh the page. I added the text area object to the web page. Placeholder value represents the default value. I save the code file and refresh the page. The default value disappears when you click it. The max chars value represents the maximum character value. For example, let's allow a maximum of 5 characters. I save the code file and refresh the page. I cannot enter more than 5 characters of text. I set it to 100. I will create a button object. The parameter sent to the button function represents the name of the button. I save the code file and refresh the page. The button has been added to the web page. If the button is pressed, the text entered in the text area object will be printed on the web page. I save the code file and refresh the page. I enter a value. When I click on the button, the text I entered is printed on the web page. My goal is to provide information about the number of characters and letters of the entered text. To do this, I create a list. I will use the list to calculate word count. I am creating a variable. I can separate words using the split function. I record the words one by one into the list. I will display word and letter information on the web page using the write function. I can get the number of words and letters by using the len function. I save the code file and refresh the page. I enter a text. When the button is pressed, it shows the number of letters and words of the entered text. In this video, we learned how the text area input object works. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.